Hey y'all, it's Tamara Michelle. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. I know I haven't been around doing any cleaning, organizing videos in a while, but it's okay. I'm back today, y'all. I've been doing some silent projects around the house, just trying to get things organized, and sometimes you just need to do it and not have a camera or anything. But I want to show y'all the project that I'm working on today. This is a little bit embarrassing, but I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, hopefully it'll give you some motivation that it's okay, but you can work through it. So the project that I'm working on today is our closet. I've been dreading doing this, but I'm gonna work through it today, so I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. All right, so it's not a huge closet at all, but we've got this shelf here that we share. This is primarily my side, and then it's got like shelving in here that I've got stuff on, and then this is my husband's side all the way down. Then I've got all this stuff here, and then I've got like stuff tucked back here, scarves and you know, all this stuff. Got a little cart you can't even see here, shoes. My husband has shoe boxes and all that kind of stuff. So this is the real deal, y'all. So I've ordered these hangers. I've been ordering them. I can get it out. Here's some. But I've ordered the velvet hangers. I think this is my third order that I got in today. So I've been slowly changing out all the hangers because they do save space. Like I said, this closet is not huge at all, but I've also got to get rid of some stuff. So like for the past couple weekends, I've been trying to do a project. So last weekend I did our dresser drawers. So I decluttered those, got rid of tons of items that we have not worn in so long. That we hadn't even thought about, because when you have all that stuff stuffed in those drawers, you guys, you wear the stuff that's on top, you get washed, put back on top, and you wear the same thing. So it was a lot of things at the bottom that we totally forgot about, that we were able to bring back to the top, you know, items that we're going to donate, all that kind of stuff. So got the drawers organized. Now I've got to get the closet organized. So I'm gonna work on this today. I'm gonna start by changing out all the hangers, and as I take the items off the old hangers, and I'll evaluate whether or not we need it. Now I'm not gonna get rid of my husband's clothes because he could very well want those things. So like I did with the dresser, some items that I hadn't seen him wear in a while, I just put them to the side and let him make those decisions. So about whether or not he wanted them or to give them away. So I'm gonna do the same thing with his side, but I know my side. Like a lot of this stuff I have not worn in so long. For one, I can't even get in it anymore because it's time for me to get back on my weight loss journey or whatever. So yeah, if you find yourself like this, y'all, it's okay. You do what you can. Everybody's house is not perfect, and I've learned that, and it takes the stress off of me. This is real life right here. So I'm gonna start with, like I said, changing out all the hangers to these. I got another order in yesterday, and then I'm gonna start on my husband's side first and organizing his side, and then I'll, you know, work on my side. So I'm not gonna record me doing the whole thing, but I will pop back in and let you guys see the progress as I go. All right, okay, you guys, you can already tell that some space has been created. So I'm going to show you, I've changed out all of these hangers. So I've got like his polos right here, his more casual shirts, his casual button downs all through here. And then we get into his dress shirts, dress sweaters, sports coats, and his slacks back here. So that's what his side is looking like so far. And then below, this is all base jackets, his jerseys, his athletic type jackets and stuff. Bella's crying because she's trying to get in here. And then on my side, I changed out all the hangers as well. So I got to do a little bit more organizing on my side, and I ran out of hangers. So like you see this random hanger right here, and then I'm also going to order the pants and skirts, the hangers for those with the clips on it, made like these. So I've got dresses back here, then it moves up into pants, slacks. It's a dress right here that needs to go back. These are ankle pants, and then some long skirts. And then it moves up into sweaters, long sleeve shirts and sweaters, and then this is more of like the silky type thin long sleeve shirts, and then moves into my short sleeve shirts, and then moves into the shirts with no sleeves. So this is what my side is looking like so far. And then below I just have like my little athletic jackets back here, and just little jackets that I just grabbed. And so to save space, I took all of our long coats, leather coats, dress coats and stuff like that. I took them out, and I'm going to put them in the coat closet in the front hallway to save room. So I'm going to tackle now. Oh, and I also removed items that I was going to probably sell, and then also some items that I'm going to just give away. So I'm going to try to tackle Bay's top shelf for his jeans and shorts right now, and then I'll work my way around to this to this, and then I've got to figure out what I'm gonna do with my shoes, my boots. These are just boots up here. Then I have a ton that are not in boxes, that are just thrown down here. And then I have others that are in boxes, like there, and then I don't know. And then, like, you know, under there I have more in boxes. And then like I have shoes that I try to display here, and then of course Bay's shoe boxes or whatever. I'm just gonna work my way, like I said, over here in his area, and then work my way around. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at the mess that I've created. This is, I'm trying to clean out the closet, but look, I'm making progress. Okay, y'all, so it's been a couple days trying to finish this closet. You know, I started on Saturday. Well, if you don't know, I started on Saturday, and then of course I went through Sunday, Monday, and then I kind of like just stopped and went through the week or whatever, and now I can finally say that it's done. So I'm gonna show y'all what the closet look. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, and it's been easier just trying to find things for work or whatever. Bay's been doing a good job keeping it straight. So hopefully we can keep it like this, y'all. So here we go. Here it is, y'all. Okay, so you know I started on Bay's side, and I started with his pants and jeans up top, and I organized his shirts by polos, and then dress shirts all the way to dressy, his sport coats and his slacks, and then of course his urban gear, his jerseys and jackets and stuff like that. And then up top we have his sweaters. These are just like athletic sweaters and stuff right here. And then, oh, this is my cap. This is my stuff that I have right here. So it's kind of like sweaters, long sleeves up here, And then right here I've still got I got some overflow of shirts right here. These are shorts, jeans, I think it's jeans, some jeans over here as well. And then these are my husband's shirts. I folded them where he could see them. And then I've got my shoes. I threw just a lot of the boxes away. The boxes I wanted to keep, but it's a lot of clutter with them. So I've taken the shoes out and put them here. I've also got, I don't know if you can see, but shoes down here. Caps right here. I've got to find a place for all base caps that he just sticks on top of the bedpost. That's a different day, y'all. I've got more shoes down here, and all these are mine. Boots, and also some more boots here. I've got some purses. Yep, that's my hair, my ponytail hair. I've got my everyday just like jackets and stuff here. My side, you have all of my short sleeve or sleeveless shirts moving on to short sleeves. And then the thin long sleeve shirts. And these are sweaters. Sweaters, short sleeve sweaters, short sleeve sweaters, all the way up to shorts, shorts, skirts. These are crop pants, dresses. Yeah, I gotta go back through these. You know, skirts, pants, and then all of these are dresses up here. So this is what I got. Up here, I've got some boxes of boots that I haven't worn in a while, but I don't want to get rid of them, so I may just sell them. And then I don't know why, but I stuck that big bag up there because you never know when you may, you know, need one. So that's that. And lastly, these are just some of my scarves that are over here that I've got. I probably got to find something just a little bit more, I guess, that I can organize it a little bit more with. This works for now though. I've got some bags over here, and then the rest of my scarves are still back here. So eventually want to get something where I can just have them all in the same place. So I think that's about it, y'all. So yes, closet declutter is done. So hopefully as I wash and stuff, I'll just make sure I'm in the mood to go ahead and fold them up the correct way and put them up. So like I said, I've been trying to do some decluttering every weekend. I did our dresser drawers, and then I had to move into the closet. I also did the bathroom vanity drawers. I did those too. I'll show those to y'all if you want to see them. It's a little cluttered right now, but I did declutter it that weekend. But anyway, this first drawer, I kind of organized. I had my makeup sitting on the counter in like the 5-drawer kind of like pull out thingy. I can't really, the 5-drawer organizer, you guys. So what I did was I got these bins and I kind of like put like, this is all my, you know, eye stuff in here. This is like blush, eyeshadows, stuff like that right here. This is my skincare, masks, oils, and all that kind of stuff. And then all my lip stuff over here. Just a little coconut oil, Vaseline, stuff like that. Oils are all over here. It may not seem like it is decluttered to you guys, but it is. It has made life so much easier with getting ready. I can see everything. So I'm okay with that. And then the next drawer just has like my brushes, combs, oils, and stuff like that. Little clips for my hair. Got scarves for my hair and my blow dryer. And then the last drawer is basically like my nail stuff. Got some bath salts and stuff like that in there. Overflow of cotton balls. This curling iron actually needs to be in this hair drawer. So this just overflow, and then this is cotton balls and Q-tips. So that's another declutter project that I did. So I'm so excited about these projects, y'all. But when I tell you, I am so tired when I get done with them, but I know eventually the house will be clutter-free, easier to just get ready and find things, just trying to get rid of the excess, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, so I hope y'all enjoyed this decluttering, you guys. I hope it gave you motivation. Yeah, go get in that closet, y'all. I know you don't want to pull that stuff out, go through it, get rid of it. You know you're not gonna wear it. You know, me, and just being real with y'all, I've held on to some of that stuff for so long. This is the heaviest that I've been, so I've been holding on to the clothes like, oh, I'm gonna get back in them, which I am. But I said, instead of holding on to them until I get to that point, I will just reward myself by buying new clothes once I reach my desired weight. So yeah, that's just me being real at this moment. So it was taking up too much space. It's time to get rid of it. So get in the closet, y'all, pull some of that stuff out. If you haven't worn it in a long time, get rid of it, you know what I mean? And half the time, if a long time has passed, it's not even in season anymore, so, or in style anymore. So you guys, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Like I said, I hope it gave you some motivation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, you guys. If you're new to my channel, thank y'all for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button if you like. I would love to have you here, y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.